It's no big deal. She doesn't hit me. She may give me a little push or touch here or there. She may throw something at me, especially if I do something she doesn't like go with my friends. What can I do? She's a woman. Don't look at me like that. I'm a man. I should be able to take it. I have to go home now. It's getting late.
The Family Law Reform project was introduced to enhance the lives of children, families, and communities throughout the Caribbean. OECS states are obligated to pass and uphold reformed laws on domestic violence, child maintenance, the status of the child care, and adoption and child justice. Find out what your country is doing and more about your rights under Family Law Reform by contacting your local Ministry of Social Development. Knowing our rights protects us. This message is brought to you by the OECS Commission and UNICEF.